links from GitHub for Jira. Sounds amazing, right? Sounds like GitHub links for Jira by Move Work Forward, for when you want to move work forward with links from GitHub for Jira. While it's simple and easy to use, it's so useful for sharing a wealth of information with your team. So let's start with the setup. Go to Find New Apps, search for GitHub links for Jira, and then follow the steps to avail of a new trial. Once all that hard work is done, go to Configure the app by clicking on Settings under GitHub Links. Click Connect to, that's right, you've guessed it, Connect. If it's your first time, you'll have to authenticate into your GitHub account, and that's it. You're done. You're set up and ready to go. So let's see how it works. It's basically as simple as posting links and getting information. You can post a GitHub link in the description, the comments, or even a custom field. So you have a little flexibility to develop a system that works best for you and your team. And then as soon as the information is populated, you'll be able to see it under the GitHub link section. Now let's cover some of the possible use cases you and your team might benefit from. If you want to keep track of a latest release, you can see the link in the description, and you can see all the information in the GitHub links field. And if you open the issue itself, you can get a more comprehensive view. How about keeping up to date with a pull request? Again, just paste the link and we can see the information here. We can see that it's opened and the specifics. We can also keep track of all open pull requests, fairly straightforward. As we can see, the link is in the comment field, and we can see all open PRs here on the right. If you want to keep track of a specific GitHub issue, again, just paste the link, this time in the description, and we can see the issue here is closed, and we can also see the specifics, including the labels and any comments. And if we click the link, we'll be taken straight to that issue. This also works if you want to see a group of GitHub issues. On this occasion, the repository is at the top, so you can see the list of branches, and you can see all the associated issues. So if you want to access a README or any other source code for that matter, you can see it here. And even though the README is very detailed, all the information is contained therein and easily accessible. And again, if we pop it open, we have a more comprehensive view. And of course, this will work with any source code you want to link. We can also keep track of user account profiles. As we can see, this time it is in a custom field, and you can see the individual profiles on the right here. What if you want to keep track of a tag? Just link the tag, and again, we have easy access to all the information. You can also see milestones. So just provide the milestone link, and you can see the progress to the milestone, the number of open and closed cases, and the percentage. And we can also keep track of all releases. So link your releases, and as we can see here, a list of all the previous releases. So GitHub links for Jira is very simple by nature, but incredibly effective at keeping your team informed. So whether you're an engineer who has to let other people know what's happening, or if you're a bit like me and you just need to keep on top of things without trawling through commits and branches and pull requests trying to get the information, GitHub links for Jira can save you a ton of time in the long run. Like GitHub links for Jira, you're almost certainly going to appreciate GitHub links for Confluence by Move Work Forward, which you can try for free from the marketplace today. And if you require any assistance or have any feedback of new features you would like to see, let us know at support@moveworkforward.com, as we would be delighted to hear from you. Thanks for your time and have a great day.